A lot of people keep asking me, how do we grab attention of our audiences? The solution is your copy. So let's dive into some of the best copywriting formulas out there. I'll break down each one. And of course, I got some cool real life examples where brands nailed it. Wait. Formulas like math? I didn't sign up for algebra. No math involved. These are like cheat codes for writing copies that connect with people. Let's start with the first one, the AIDA formula. It stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. You grab someone's attention, spark their interest, make them want what you are offering, and at the end, guide them to take action. Let me give you a real world example, and what's better example to give than Apple. Take a look at this recent campaign that Apple is running right now in India. So Indian festivals are around the corner and Apple doesn't want to miss out on that. Check out the first line, celebrate in a new light. A bold headlines grab the viewer's attention, and that's called attention. Second line, enjoy up to 10,000 instant cashback with eligible cards. It creates interest by offering benefits. Third line, plus up to 12 months no cost AMI that enhance desire by emphasizing on the financial ease. And at the end, a shop button that encourages immediate action. So Apple is manipulating me? Not manipulating, just guiding you. Next up, we got Paspass formula, which stands for Problem Agitate Solution. This one is my favorite. Oh, I like sound of this. It's not as aggressive as it sounds. You start by identifying a problem your audience has, then you agitate it by making them feel the pain of that problem even more, and finally you swoop in with the solution. Check this out. This is the old About Us page of a company, Freshworks. Notice how they start with the problem statement, then they agitate the problem. Clunky, expensive, hard to set up, etc. And then wrote a solution by showing how they solve that problem. Isn't that cool? But keep in mind, not everyone follows the pass model step by step. Sometimes they remove the agitation part. Look at this AirHelp website. It starts with the problem statement. Did you have a delayed or cancelled flight? And gives a solution just below. Get up to $650 compensation per passenger. So either way, it's good. So you make them feel worse before you make them feel better. Kind of, but it's super effective. Up next is a BAB formula, or as most of you might know, the before after bridge formula. This one is pretty straightforward. You paint a picture of the before scenario, show the after scenario, and then provide a bridge to connect from one to other. Come on, man, show me the example. Okay, let's take a look at this ClickFunnels website. Notice how they start with a before statement, struggling to get a constant flow of customers. Then they wrote the after statement, and at the end is the bridge starter free trial. So basically, like before discovered coffee, I was tired and grumpy, and after coffee, I'm happy, productive person. And here is how you can get coffee too. Exactly. So now the last one is 4 P's formula. Is this another secret club? Oh wait, I know this one. It's a product, price, place, promotion, right? No. Here how it goes. First you paint a picture of what life could be like without your product. Then you make a promise about how it will benefit the customers. After that you give a proof like testimonials, reviews or data, and finally you give them a little push to act now. Okay, let's take an example of Dropbox. Actually, their whole website is very good example of this formula. The headline is Get to Work with lot less work. This paint a picture of your head. Now scroll down, this can be the promise. all the features and promise to keep it secure. If you scroll even further, you will see the testimonials. This is the proof. And everywhere in between, you have the push, like get started free and so on. So that's it for now. Wait, so now I can sell anything. These formulas are there only to help you. There are a lot of other factors that goes into marketing. Remember, it's all about connecting with people, not tricking them. So if you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And I also review a lot of AI tools on my channel. So if you're interested, check that out. See you next time.